evening again. I got this at Walmart, and they keep on changing these. For the longest time, they used to have the market side ones, and those were like almost $5. And now they changed back to the Deli Express, and it went back to like $2.47. So I'm not really sure why they're doing it, but let's see. The other ones I didn't like. I didn't like the bread. The bread on the market side ones I didn't like. Here it looks better. Mm. Yeah, this is better. It's better and cheaper. It's something quick for lunch. Go to work or something. I'll give it a 7 out of 10. Have a good evening.